Hello, I'm Refashionista Sherry, and we're on day, I have no idea, of my 30 days of refashions. Now, as I've been kind of doing all of these tutorials like every single day, I'm going through my stash and going through my closet, finding things to upcycle and refashion for you guys. And I discovered this vest that I got in like 2013. Like what? 2013. I thrifted this when I was still living in Berlin and I think I wore it once and then it moved all the way over to Canada with me and has been sitting in my stash ever since. So I think it's time that we did something with this, and I think the weather's gonna hopefully start cooling off, so let's transform this into something fantastic to wear for the fall and winter. For this super fast project, all you need is your sleeveless garment, a long sleeve shirt that you don't mind chopping up, and your sewing gear. So your first step is to flip the long sleeve shirt inside out and then fold it evenly in half with the sleeves as perfectly lined up as you can get them. Then just go chop them off. Next, grab your sleeveless garment and flip it inside out and lay it on a flat surface. Then all you have to do is grab your sleeves, and these are going to be right side out, and then pop them into the armholes, so then you will have the right sides facing, and line them up, and then just go ahead and stitch them together. Sleeves, I have sleeves. This is absolutely going to be, I think, one of my festive looks this year. This goes so awesomely with my no-sew plaid trouser upsize. I'll link that tutorial down below for you guys. I mean, it's so much better as like a cardigan. Seriously, come on. It is so much nicer as a cardigan than a vest. And I mean, sincerely, very vintage festive, I think. Let me know down below what you think. And of course, there will be yet another tutorial tomorrow in my 30 days of refashions for my birthday month. Woo! And yeah, let me know down below how you're enjoying this. And as always, be sure to check out the 30 Days of Refashions playlist at the top of my channel if you've missed anything. And hi, Jack. Jack's back. And back to direct me some more. And, I lost my train of thought, buddy. Dad, are you gonna help? Do you want to help? Yeah. Come here. You guys want to see Jack? You can see Jack. Stay there. You stay there. 1 second. There's Jack. There's Jack. Okay. Hey, bud. Okay. Hey, you help me. Help me here. Okay. So, until tomorrow, from my Jackie and I, stay safe, stay well, and we'll catch ya on the zig-zag. We will catch you on the zig-zag. Okay.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.